service on a float. Replace the batteries. And look at that fuel filter, which we will replace. Swapped out the oil. Replace the oil filter. Fuel filter's located here. Replace that. And now we're replacing all 4 spark plugs. Plugs out. Having trouble getting the fuel separator off? Put vice grips on one side and use it as leverage. So when you push down, you could break the filter free. See that? Maintenance really does matter, guys. And brand new filter installed. There you go. And some new batteries. And she's running.